Hey, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to use Excel to calculate the number of workdays that are in a given year, assuming that you have a list of the holidays in that year in Excel format. And then if you want to list those days, I'll show you how to do that as well in a column. So the first thing is to determine the number of workdays you have in a year. In this case, we use the appropriately named Networkdays function. We're going to open the parentheses. I've written the year beginning and year end here just to help with this calculation, but the start date, it walks you through here pretty self-explanatorily, is going to be B2, which is the 1st of January. The end date, so we're going to hit comma, is the 31st of December. And then for holidays, because they have already notated it in these brackets here, we can just simply highlight that whole list, close the parentheses, and hit enter. And we'll see that we have 250 workdays in the 2023 calendar year. Now if you want to list those out over here, we can just do equals workday. In this case, we're going to use the same start date, which is in B2. Then for sequence, for days, we're going to do something a little different. We're going to sequence the number of days we want to use, and in this case it's the network days. That's going to tell it how many days to cascade down this list. We're going to go ahead and close that. And then the holidays, again, because it is in brackets in the formula, we can just simply highlight it and then hit enter, and we'll get a list here of funky numbers, and we can just switch it over to a short date, and we'll see the work year in 2023 will start on 1/3. We'll do a quick check. Obviously it skips the 2nd. It will also skip the 16th down here, and let's do one more spot check. 2/20. We see it skips down here, and if we go down to the end of our list, we'll see it ends on 12/29 because the end of the year of 2023 ends on a weekend. So hopefully this helps you out if you're looking for network days or you need to list the work days in a column. Thanks a lot for watching. Hope this helps.